Topic name problem related to thread. Understand? Problem related to thread. Understand? So what is thread? How to is any question thread type question? So always remember, all students remember. You consider this not. You only consider this. Okay? This consider charge. What is this? Charge is mass. It is not without mass, no charge. It is not. So this is charge. This is charge. This charge. That means this is mass. Okay. What is this? This is thread. Understand? This is fixed point. My hand, this hand fixed point, sir. Of this charge, length L. Of your question with this charge, I put this place, sir. Again, what condition? Pendulum behavior. Understand? This length L, this place length also L, na? This L, this also L, na? This also L, this also L, all L, na? Yes or no? Understand? Yes or no? Clear?
Directly important.
Clear, na? Now this charge, this mass M, this go this side, again go this. So what condition? Pendulum behavior starts. Any question exam time are the question. So how to solve? Exam time, IIT, NEET, your board exam, any exam. Only 3 questions asked. How many questions? 3. Find the tension. First question, find that. What is tension? This is a string, na? A string is tension. Yes or no? This is a string. You apply the force. Is known as tension. So only find the tension. Second, find the angle, direction. Or third, find the velocity of this pendulum. This move na this some velocity given na. So find the velocity. This type of question. Okay. Any exam time ask only 3 questions. First question, find the tension. Second question, find the angle. Or third, find the velocity. So how to solve this type of question? So first, this is surface. Understand? Now this is, what is this? Pendulum. Length L. Length L. Mass M, charge Q. Mass M, charge Q. Now this move this place, sir. This go this side. Yes or no? So this length L, this also L, na? Increase. Yes sir, increase na? Yes or no? No. Length never increase. This is my hand, length 5 meter. This goes 7 meter. No, na? This 5 meter, na? Yes or no? Same condition, this go this way. Total distance covered x. So this distance x by. Now this angle theta. So this is also theta. Yes or no? What is this? Length. Length means tension. The string means tension. This is t cos theta. This side t sin theta. Downside one force mg. This side one force F. Understand? Downside mg is known as weight. Mg is known as weight. Okay? Mg has like behavior weight, sir. So weight t sin theta, t cos theta. What is this? Fr. Restoring force. Restoring. What is restoring force? I push anybody. I push again come. Means you push me again I come this side. So this is known as you push, so I want your force. I itself come. So this is known as restoring. Means my hand. This hand. This goes this way. This is my force. Again this same corner. So this is restoring force. This is restoring force. Understand? Yes or no? So this is equal to this. What value? T cos theta is equal to mg always. This is equal to this. The t sin theta is equal to fr always. Equation 1, equation 2. Up to understand? So this topic completes. Topic name problem related to thread. Ask the question tension, angle or velocities. Sometime ask the question find the component. The t sin theta, t cos theta is a component. Understand? Now squaring and adding. Equation 1 or 2 squaring and adding. So what value? T squared sin squared theta, t squared cos squared theta, fr squared plus mg square. Understand? Understand? Any common? Sin square plus cos square. 1 t is equal to root under f r square plus mg. Understand? Write down, sir.
Hey, daughter.
Give the stick, sir. Hey, what problem?
Daughter means
What problem here? I study now.
Daily full day for a school sir till 5 o'clock.
Rub, sir. Complete. Complete. So tension. Any question? Find the tension. Direct apply the formula. Otherwise, a step by step. So better than a step by step solve. Not direct apply the formula. Okay. Listen up. Now your question. Find the angle. Angle means direction. Angle means physics. Angle means direction. Okay. Any question physics direction find, that means angle find. That is both divides. So tt sin by cos tan. So tan theta is equal to fr by mg. Understand? So theta is equal to what value? Tan inverse fr by m. This is fr by mg. Oh, not understand that. Now your question, find the velocity. The particle move na, so find the velocity. Now remember, find the velocity. Tan theta is equal to what formula? Now find the tan theta. Tell me, all students. Tan theta is equal to what formula? Tan theta is equal to fr by mg. Yes or no? This is theta. This is length. What any relation tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So what value? X by 12. Yes or no? Tan theta. What is this? X by 2 by L. X by 2 by L. Understand? Is equal to fr is equal to kg q1 both charge same na, q square by x square, total distance x, yes or no, into m. Up to understand? This understand? Tan is equal to what value?
Opposite by x.
This by this. This what value?
X square.
X by 2. This what value? So tan is equal to what value? Tell me. X by 2l. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this by 2. X by 2. Clear? F1 is equal to k q square by r square. The total distance what? Total distance what value? X square into mg. Understand? अब this x multiply sir. So what value? X q is equal to 2lk q square by mg. Understand? Clear na? This q body size what value? X is equal to 2lk q square by mg power 1 by 2. Understand? Write down.
Also, 7:30 you put it, sir, but we came 7. Then Ashant also 7:30 you put it. All because of this devil. Yeah, I don't know.
This diagram roughly.
Yeah, like yeah,
Clear? Okay. Solve graph. What find? Velocity. What find? Velocity. What is this? Distance. Distance by time? Velocity. Distance by time? Velocity. Means x is equal to 2lk by mg power 1 by 3 into q by 2 by 3. Understand? Yes or no this time? What are q square? Q square 1 by 2, q power 2 by 3. This is one term, it's outside. Okay? Only separate. अब now one time derivative with respect to time. One time derivative with respect to time. This derivation dx by distance by time is known as. This is constant. This is no disturb. 2lk by mg power 1 by 3. This derivative. What are you? Into 2 by 3 q power 2 by 3 minus 1 and dq by. Understand? Yes or no? Not understand? Derivation not understand? Remember only this. Sunday you remember Saturday. This Saturday you remember. This Sunday it is derivation integration. All should come one time. Artifact derivation or integration. So now only remember. Now only remember. Saturday it is. The velocity is equal to what value? 2 by 3 2lk by mg power 1 by 3. This what value? Tell me. Tell me what value? Q power minus 1 by 3. Charge by time q by t ice. What is I? I is equal to current. I is equal to current. Understand? This q inside sir. So what value? V is equal to 2 by 3 2lk by mg q power 1 by 3 into I. This is known as velocity. This is known as only your problem this place. So only the weight I explain. Integration derivation teach. So already I teach the 9th and 12th class, 11th class I teach sir. 1 month I teach Saturday Sunday. But you not come. Okay, I explain. The this type question find the velocity.